This is Aishwarya. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video is basically a vlog about how I celebrated my lockdown birthday. So this is the first time ever I'm doing vlog. Disclaimer. It's about 7:30 now in the morning, and I just woke up and got refreshing, and there is this kashayam. This has become a part of my routine now. It's better to drink something healthier than the coffee or tea. Try adapting it. And after drinking this, I'll just go get refreshing and wear my new dress, and then come talk to you all. And wore my new dress. Today is not only my birthday, but there is a special puja in the remembrance of my grandfather. So basically my relatives are visiting home, and my house is like super busy right now. And I'm gonna keep my hair and makeup super simple. Before I do my hair, I gotta sun dry it because I don't have a hair dryer. I broke the one I had, so I got no other option than sun drying it. Anyway, sun drying is also a good option. You get lots of vitamin D. After this, I'm gonna stand here for a while, and after this I'll just take you around, show how busy my house is. So it was almost 10:30 in the morning when we did the puja. After doing puja, we all had our breakfast, and this is how my morning breakfast looked like. It was super M. The puri, the chana, idli, chutney, vada, kesari. It's like super M. Obviously, thanks to my mom and aunt. Very simple. So I'm going to apply the serum. I should have applied this when my hair was damp, but then I couldn't do it at that time. So anyway, that's fine. I'll do it right now. This serum is from Biotic Advanced Ayurveda, almond and cashew. This works quite good for me. My hair is a little wavy one, but when I put this and comb it, it becomes straight, it becomes soft. It works quite good for me. Yeah, so I'm gonna apply this right now. I put a French braid and very subtle makeup actually. Only my lipstick is dark pink in color. This is my birthday look. So I couldn't ask anybody to take a video of me doing the braid and makeup. As I told you all earlier, everybody's quite busy in the house. Afternoon there's going to be a big feast. Everybody's working on it. Even let me go help them out. We'll see what all they're doing for the lunch. As I told you guys earlier, there were relatives visiting us, so we had to cook for a large number of people. So we had to set up another mini stove in the dining hall, and there was cooking going on in the kitchen as well. It's almost 3:30 in the afternoon now. We all had a lunch. Everybody's chit-chatting now. And guess what? It's raining. It's raining amazingly here. And I love rain. So I'm kind of happy. I'm kind of super happy right now. So after enjoying in the rain for some time, I had the small photo shoot. My brother and my best friend helped me out with this. The photos came out really good. I have a photogenic face, so obviously. And about my dress, I had this new chudidar material already in the house. I just got this stitched as there was a lockdown, and you all know the 20s and the cost cutting. Oh no, just kidding. I wanted to wear a churidar, so I just got this one stitched. And this top of the churidar was a little plain, so I got the neck design done to make it a little more prettier. So now it's about 5:30 p.m. and I guess this is going to be the best part of my vlog. When I thought about doing a vlog on my birthday, was the first thing that came to my mind. That is my 19 things to do before 20 list. I wrote this when I was 15, so and so dumb. At that time I was so clueless about what to do and what I was capable of, so I did this bucket list. I haven't done most of it, but still I'm glad that I did this list. This gave me a purpose and I was motivated at least half of the time. This kind of kept me going for all these years, like 15 to 19. So this is how the list goes. So the first one was to secure 95% in my second PU exams, which I didn't. It was a big joke. I don't even want to talk about it. And the second one was to join MBBS or BDS, which I realized in later days that it was not really my cup of tea. And the third one was to participate in fashion related competitions and give my best. That is because I was actually into fashion shows in my previous college, and I kind of like dressing up. Like, it is always my thing to get dressed up, and I'm your go-to person if you want to do makeup and hair on me. I can sit hours together without getting bored. So that is that. And to learn photography and own a DSLR. I actually learned photography, but I don't own a DSLR. And next is to run a marathon, which I didn't. I will anytime soon. I actually was to, but then this COVID thing came up. So next is to donate my hair. I actually convinced my parents to do this, but then I don't know what came up. I never did it. And next one is to learn to play any musical instrument. I know basics of guitar. I actually tried doing this and I kind of achieved halfway. I know the basics. And next is to professionalize one type of dance, which I didn't. I just know to dance like Chandler. People who know Friends can relate it, how good I am at dancing. Okay, so next is to meet Vijay, which is like my dream. I don't know when this is going to happen, but whenever it happens, that is going to be the best day of my life. It's like he is my favorite star since childhood till today. Whenever I see him on screen, I just jump around. I get crazy. I don't know why. It's like I love him so much. People who know me in person actually knows how much this means to me. I'm looking forward to this day. And the next one is to take a trip to Goa with friends. I don't think so this is gonna happen anytime soon with the given COVID situation. I don't know. And the next one is to donate blood. I don't know, I am being such an unlucky person when it comes to donate blood. 2 different years and 2 different opportunities, I still couldn't donate blood. 1 year I was not eligible as I was not 18 at that time, and another year I was on my menstruation cycle, so that was a strict no to donate blood, so I couldn't do it. Probably I'll do it at least this year. The next one was to learn different languages. At least 4 was my target, but I kind of completed 3. I know Telugu, Hindi, Malayalam. I can understand, I can speak Telugu and Malayalam better than Hindi. I'm kind of halfway in that goal. I will reach sometime soon. And next is to cook all styles of Indian course meal. I don't know to cook all styles of Indian course meal, but I am good at cooking now. That is like the biggest achievement I have done in all these 4 years. And the next one is to complete the puzzle. By puzzle I meant the Rubik's Cube, which I don't know. I can't complete it in 1 minute. I'll take a day minimum. And the next one was to learn how to put rangoli and mehendi, which I actually did during this lockdown. I did it before my birthday, so it counts. The passport which I was about to when I started realizing that my 20th birthday is on the way. But thanks to Corona, I couldn't do it. I will probably take it within this 3 months. And the next is to write a novel, at least a short story. Novel, I have written lots of short stories, but when it comes to novel, I need to improvise my writing skills. I myself don't have satisfaction towards my writing skills. So someday I will improvise my writing skills, write a novel, and publish it. That is one of my ambitions. Hope I do it. And the next one is to learn how to play basketball and cricket. Cricket, I do have idea how to play, and I cannot play, but basketball, I have no clue what that game is about, and I don't know when I'm going to learn. Hope so I learn. And the next one is to ride two-wheelers, even bikes. To be very honest, I don't even know how to ride a bicycle properly. I don't know, I have had zero interest towards this, but I do know how essential it is to know how to ride a two-wheeler. I'm actually on it. Before my 21st birthday, I should learn this. This is like my first aim. This goes to my bucket list for the 21st birthday. And as I told you all, this is my 19 things to do before 20 bucket list, and I haven't achieved all of it, but still I'm glad that I did this. This kind of kept me going in one or the other way. I felt like I had a purpose. I had something to do. I'm still gonna do the 24 things to do before 25 list. I know that I won't achieve all of it, but still I would be glad that I did this. People who actually don't have a habit of doing these kinds of lists, try doing one. It's kind of fun, it keeps you going, and people who do, tell me a story in the comment section. And the 24 things to do before 25 list, when I do it, I'll definitely post a video.
Hey, look who is here. She's my very best friend. Like, we are friends for almost 7 to 8 years now. And say hi. Hi. Okay, she's a little shy to show her face. So she's my very best friend, and she helped me throughout the day to take the video and everything. She just came here to surprise me for my birthday. I'm you know, that's the best part of the day, I guess. Aww.
And then I spend the rest of my day playing Ludo and chit-chatting with my friend for almost hours together. Then in the night, my aunt made this carrot halwa. As I told you all, since morning she was very busy. She wanted to do it and give it to me on my birthday, so she did it anyway, at least by the end of the day. It tasted so With the usual carrot halwa recipe, she added unsweetened kova in the last and mixed it well until the kova got absorbed in the halwa. And just when I thought that my birthday is over, my best friends from previous college showed up. I call them my family. They surprised me. I had no clue. It felt so good. And later we played games and watched movie, talked for hours together. It just felt like old times. And by the end of the day, they cut a cake for me. And that cutie over there is the younger brother of one of my best friends. Is so adorable. Despite the COVID situation, my 20th birthday was a really good start to me. Thank you so much for everybody who took their time and wished me happiness on my birthday. It means a lot to me. I really hope the situation gets better and everybody gets back to their normal life. This is the first time ever I'm doing a vlog. I wanted to do this in the remembrance of my 20th birthday. So if I should improvise anywhere, or if you guys have any suggestions, ideas, do put it in the comment box. It helps me generate a better content. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and do not forget to subscribe. I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.